Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the fish pond in Abyss Roblox. So the new fish pond is finally here in the latest Abyss update, and this is the perfect zen spot to farm specific species. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reach this fish pond. So first you need to go to the Forgotten Dome, and then you need to find this NPC called the guy. So this is the NPC, and you can just interact with him and you can unlock the fish pond quest. You can just click on how can I go to a fish pond, and after that the guy will answer you that you need to at least reach level 15 to unlock the fish pond. So you can just click on alright if you accept the quest. Okay, so I've already in level 22, so let's just interact with him again and just click on I've completed your quest. And now I can reach the fish pond using the teleporter. So you can just go find the teleporter or the scientist to go to the fish pond. Just click on this, and this is the fish pond. Click on teleport, and just like that, now you arrive in your own fish pond. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.